Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is a mega development that's taking place between Harborview and St. Thomas. Now the entire highway is being built it's 132 kilometers of highway from Harborview from St. Andrews, Kingston you could say, from Kingston to Portland. But the section we're looking at is from Kingston, or more specific, from Harborview to Albion in St. Thomas, just on the outskirts of Morant Bay. Now, that section of the road is going to be 4 lanes, and the 4 lanes looks, this is the actual highway that we're looking at now, the 4 lanes. Super highway, one of the nicest highways you'll find in Jamaica. Or actually, this is, with the exception of probably Mandela Highway in Kingston, this is the nicest non-tolled highway in Jamaica. Now, on the right, they're building the Suncoast Beach Club, some luxury apartments, and the development is also on the left. There is an underpass straight ahead, you can see it. So both sides of the development are connected via the road under the highway. Now, this section of the road, it has been or will be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. The Prime Minister made that announcement last year. Paul Bogle is a national hero of Jamaica and was very instrumental in the Morant Bay Rebellion. And that rebellion put Jamaica on a path for independence. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Remember, this highway goes from Harborview to Albion in St. Thomas. From Albion to Portland, it's 2 lanes. So the 4 lanes, just to clarify, the 4 lanes are from Harborview to Albion, which is what we're looking at now. That's the highway. And then from Albion to Portland, it's 2 lanes. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.